Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing video of Snibe MAGLUMI anti-IgG CLIA chemiluminescence immunoassay method. Over here we can see the brand name Snibe. Here we can see the product name MAGLUMI anti-IgG CLIA. In this kit contains one bottle lyophilized magnetic microbeads, 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml AB label, 15 ml dilute, 1 ml control 1, 1 ml control 2. Over here we can see the reference number of this product 130617512M, then lot number, then expiry date. Here we can see the pictorial representation of this product. One instruction manual inside this kit. We can store away from direct sunlight. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. We can do 50 tests using this reagent kit. This is C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing details of this product. This is overall view of this kit. Now we can see the another sides. In this side we can see the brand name Snibe. On the other side we can see the brand name Snibe. On the other side we can see the product name MAGLUMI anti-IgG, reference number 130617512M, lot number, the expiry date also. This is overall representation of this product. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After unboxing, the first product is Snibe MAGLUMI anti-IgG CLIA. The reference number of this product 130617512M, 50 tests per kit. This is C certificate IVD product. This instruction manual we can see the intent use, summary, test principle, reagents, warnings and precautions, reagent handling, storage and stability, lot of stuff in this manual. I am going to keep this aside. And the next one is MAGLUMI reagent seal, total of 3 nurses. And the next one is control stickers, 4 for control 1 and 4 for control 2, total of 8 nurses. The next one is QC certificate provided by Snibe. The next one is control solutions, control 1, control 2 and lyophilized magnetic microbeads. This is packed in a cover. I am going to unpack this for your reference. After I unpack the solutions, here we can see clearly the control 1, control 2 and lyophilized magnetic microbeads. I am taking one by one. Here we can see clearly anti-IgG lyophilized magnetic microbeads, one bottle. Keep this aside. The next one is control 2, volume of 1 ml MAGLUMI anti-IgG control 2. The next one is control 1 anti-IgM, volume of 1 ml MAGLUMI. And the next one is MAGLUMI anti-IgG CLIA. This reagent kit contains 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml AB label, 15 ml dilute. I am going to first summary. Today you can see about Snibe MAGLUMI anti-IgG CLIA. In this kit contains one instruction manual, a reagent seal 3 nurses, control stickers, control solutions and dilute lifefull acid magnetic microbeads, and reagent MAGLUMI contents 2.8 ml magnetic microbeads buffer, 1 ml calibrator low, 1 ml calibrator high, 10 ml buffer, 12.5 ml AB label, 15 ml diluent. Thank you.